Hello guys and welcome to Let's Nail It with Vrushali. Today in this video I'll be talking everything about how to apply and remove the press-on nails. In any press-on kit you will be provided with a set of customized pre-designed nails and everything that you need to apply and remove them. In my kit you will get a set of 10 nails, a mini buffer with which you can buff your nails, an orange wood stick with which you can push back your cuticles, and a pointed end can be used to remove the press-on nails later on. Glue tabs with which you can stick your press-on nails, and I am providing 24 of them so that you can reuse your press-on nails at least for 2 times. And an alcohol wipe to prep your nails. So these are all the things provided in a kit. These gel glue tabs help your nails to stick on for 2 to 3 days, but if you want them to stay a bit longer, the liquid nail glue is more effective. Just put a drop of nail glue on your prepped nail surface and another drop underneath the fake nails. Let it spread and stick it on. Now let's see how to apply them. First things first, you have to prep your nails really very good. Firstly, wash your hands with soap and water and pat dry them. Secondly, trim off the length if you have longer nails. The press on nails look more realistic and natural on shorter nails. Trim off the sharp edges with a mini buffer provided in the kit. Now use the flat end of the orange stick provided in the kit to gently push back your cuticle. You have to be gentle here not to damage your cuticles. After that, use the same mini buffer provided in the kit to gently buff off the surface of the nail. In this step, we are looking for to remove the natural shine of the nail. Don't overdo it, otherwise you may damage your nail. This is how it will look after buffing. Then use the alcohol wipe provided in the kit to remove the dust from the nail surface and to clean them. Wipe all your nails thoroughly with the wipe and your nails are all ready for press-ons. Now the next important step is to choose the correct size of glue tab for each of your nails, and I'm providing 24 of them so that you can use your press-ons for 2 times at least. Now place your finger under the sheet like so and check which glue tab matches the size of your nail. As you can see for my index finger, this particular glue tab matches the size of my nail. So remove the plastic sheet and pull off the glue tab and apply it onto your nail and press it firmly. After that, you have to pull off the another plastic sheet and expose the sticky part of the glue tab. Now here you can see you have to remove this plastic sheet and then just peel off the glue tab from here and press it onto your nail. Preferably work on one nail at a time. After applying the glue tab, you just have to take your press on nail and press it firmly for 2 to 3 seconds and you are done. So guys, it will hardly take 5 minutes to apply all the press on nails. So this is how you can apply your press on nails at the comfort of your home and you are good to go for any quick party or any occasion. And now towards the end of the video, I'll also be showing you how to remove the press on nails. Just take a bowl of lukewarm water and dip your nails into it. Then with the help of the orange stick provided in the kit, just lift up the nail from the sides up to the center of the nail like so, and your press-ons will pop off. Be a little patient here. If you are not able to remove your nails, soak your nails in lukewarm water for a bit longer time and try it again. Wipe your nails and place it back in place onto the card so that you don't interchange them and you can easily reuse them the next time. If you follow all the steps properly, there are very less chances to damage the nails and the gel press-ons may go for 2 times at least. And this is how easy it is to apply and remove the press-on nails at the comfort and safety of your home. Take care, guys, and wish you a very happy Diwali. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.